This section builds on section 1 and 2 and looks at how some of the knowledge and skills you have gained are put into practice. The assessment for this section involves showing how you have promoted the use of financial information in decision making. You will have to produce a PowerPoint presentation that could be used to explain to staff in your school why it is important to use financial information when making decisions, and you will then use that presentation as the basis for a professional discussion with a colleague. This builds on what you learnt in section 2 and requires you to use skills to promote the use of financial information so that others can understand how important this is. You'll then learn about risk, focusing on risks to financial planning. Using the information in the online materials, you will assess the likelihood and impact of 2 risks to financial planning and put forward measures to mitigate those risks, producing this in a format that would be suitable to be included in a risk register. We then turn our attention to practical demonstration that you are able to coordinate the planning and preparation of a budget. There are key points that must be covered, and you can base this on work you have done in your own setting, on the whole school budget or on aspects of it, or you can use the case study provided. You must provide a budget plan for a specified period of time. Ideally this will be for 1 year, and then provide a written commentary for senior leaders which explains the key factors that have been taken into account. You'll also explain which are the staff you've worked with during the planning and preparation of the budget. Again, you're going to draw on the knowledge from sections 1 and 2, but here you must show that you can put that knowledge into practice. The final part of this section concerns the use of data to support performance monitoring in a school. To do this, you will look specifically at use of the Pupil Premium Grant. This is income for which information has to be published on your school's website. Ofsted will make a judgment on effective use of this grant during an inspection. You'll have to explain how data can be used and provide a data sheet giving key information to show that you, as an SBM, can provide appropriate data to support performance monitoring against financial objectives.